The ultimate Loragal reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you've seen Loragal ads popping up online promising trendy fashion at unbelievably low prices, you might be wondering, is this the deal of the year or a disaster waiting to happen? Most people get this wrong, but here's what you need to know before you spend a single dollar. Loragal claims to offer stylish dresses, seasonal fashion, and accessories delivered right to your door. The pictures look high-end, prices look too good to be true, and that's exactly where the surprising truth begins. Many customers report that what arrives often looks nothing like the product photos. Fabrics may feel cheap, sizing can be unpredictable, and shipping times can stretch into weeks or months with little communication. One major red flag is inconsistent customer service. Some shoppers say returns are almost impossible. Refund policies look simple on the surface, but they often require paying expensive return shipping fees overseas where customers may be offered partial refunds instead of full returns. This makes getting your money back more stressful than expected. So, how do you protect yourself? The smartest move is to check verified customer reviews and search for real photos before ordering. Use secure payment methods like PayPal or credit cards that include buyer protection. And if a price feels shockingly low compared to major retail stores, trust your instincts, there's probably a reason. The bottom line, Loragal might offer a few lucky wins, but the risk of disappointment is high. If you love fashion deals, it may be safer to stick with well-known budget retailers or local stores with clear return policies. Don't let glossy product photos trick you into a shopping nightmare. Stay informed, shop smart, and always remember great style doesn't have to come with great risk. If you want more honest reviews like this, make sure to stick around for the next video.